Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are going to remove these hair extensions with peanut butter. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get removing. So I put these extensions in and now I'm taking them out because I've had fun with them. These are the extensions that I did purchase and I got them off Amazon. I was gonna say Walmart. If it is loud, I apologize. My husband and the kids are out there watching a football game and they get loud. I forgot to buy extension removal stuff, so I did a little research. They say that peanut butter removes extensions, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take my ring off. I have tried this. I put 2 extensions too high up where you could see them, so I went in with peanut butter and it did remove it. Don't go out and buy stuff, people. We can do it for free. So what we're gonna do, is we're going to remove the hair so I can get to the extensions. I have my first extension here. I just take a little bit, and what I do is I go in and I put the peanut butter, and I think peanut butter is good for your hair. I mean, it's an oil, it has a lot of oils in it, so possibly. And then I just take some peanut butter and I put it in there and I kind of just work it around, and then I move my hair up and I do the peanut butter again. I forgot, I should tell you guys, you're gonna need peanut butter, you're gonna need clips, and you're gonna need a towel to kind of wash your little fingers off. And I'm not gonna be eating this peanut butter anymore. This peanut butter has expired, so instead of throwing it away, I thought I would just use it for my extensions. So again, you just put it on the top of the extensions, like so. You just really want to get it in between the extension is what you're trying to do. And then I bring it up and then I repeat the same process on the bottom half. Or bottom half, that's not the bottom half. What is it? It's the back side. If you can, kind of peel it down a little bit once you get the peanut butter in there, and then you can put a little bit more. And then the oil from the peanut butter helps with the stickiness. Oh, what are we doing here? The biggest problem that I have is you want your fingers to be dry. You don't want any peanut butter on it when you're working with your hair, like trying to flip through them, because it's gonna be a real big mess. So make sure you have a towel and you just wipe your hands. And then we're gonna go to the next one. This is the extension right here. This tape-in right here is the one that bothered me the most. I like to do it on one side and then do the other side and then move on to the back. So I'm going to speed this process up for you guys because it's the same thing over and over again.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. It's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, a lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. I don't wanna be like you. Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary love. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith. It doesn't have to be holy, holy. I'm not asking for a God, just as long as you show me some ordinary love. So kiss me in the night, tell me that you're mine. Don't need much to believe, doesn't have to be holy, holy. When it's ordinary love, ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah, wanna fix, wanna heal where it's hurting. Gonna put out the fire where it's burning. I will be there with all of my being. Ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith. It doesn't have to be.
Okay, so now that you got the peanut butter on all of your extensions, so then what I do is I will pull back my real hair, put it on top, put some peanut butter on my finger, start in the corner and kind of get the peanut butter in there, and then as I'm pulling it, put some more peanut butter in there, and then it kind of loosens up. The peanut butter will take away the stickiness of it, and then it makes it easy to remove. So I get the first one off, and then again I flip the hair over, and then if you can't get it off, take a little bit more peanut butter, put it on your finger. So at this point you can stick it right on the hair and the extension and kind of move it back and forth a little bit, and then it will come off like so. The remover does work really good, but if you don't have it, peanut butter, it works. So I'm going to remove all of these.
There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better.
Okay, so this is what my hair looks like with the extensions out. It does feel very heavy on top because that's where all the peanut butter is. But overall, I would say that this was pretty smooth. There was a couple extensions that were harder to get out. They were just really in there, but the peanut butter did work. I would say try this at your own risk. I can actually do this now and I don't feel like things in there like not wanting to bend. Oh, it feels so much better with the peanut butter in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!